Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, ABR Tech. Here in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money online just by liking video alone. Alright, this is something very simple you can do with a smartphone and you'll be able to make a whole lot of money online without stressing yourself. Okay, it's a simple thing to do, but before we get started, alright, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, you drop a comment in case you're confused about anything, as we will be guiding you on how to make a whole lot of money online without stressing yourself. All right, all you need is just your phone and just an internet enabled phone. All right, and I'm going to be walking you how you can make this money, but endeavor to watch this video from the beginning to the end if you want to learn the exact way we are able to make this money online just by liking videos and doing some other minor activities. Alright, so keep watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell icon. Alright, so let's go there. Now we're going to be going to rapidworkers.com. Here is the website I was able to make the money from, rapidworkers.com. Okay, so at Rapid Workers, is either you sign up or you sign in. We have just two options here. So if you have trouble to log in by different browser, or you should clear your browser. All right, so tasks are accomplished. These are the options. So you can see everything here. Okay, there are other services employers can do, and you can see that everything is listed here. All right, and they have other options, like they give a whole lot of warning concerning some of the things you should do and the things you shouldn't do to avoid having problem on this website. All right, so after going through this, they have only 3 payment methods, and I am sure you can go with one. All right, so but after this, we're going to be showing you how you can run it, how you can go about the payment method after making this money on the website. All right, so we have PayPal there, and we have a wire transfer, Master and Visa. All right, so all this work, after they making this money, they will be able to send you this money to PayPal. All right, they'll be able to send you the money to PayPal, and like I said, in case you have the account already, you should just sign up with your email and the password. But for the purpose of the tutorial, I will click on the sign up so that you see some of the instructions. Then after that, I will just log in directly so that you can see how you can use that to make money. All right, so here, in case you're new, you just input your name, the email, the password, and the country. Then you hit the capture button to show that you are not a robot. All right, so apart from that, you're going to be seeing some of the options here where it is marked red. All right, so you shouldn't use VPN to sign in. All right, so multiple accounts will be banned. All right, so same IP, using wireless or some of the stuff will be banned. So choose your country, choose exactly what country you're from. Okay, choosing another country will lead to ban, so just choose the country you're coming from, then you hit the agree button. But since I already have the account, I created the account. It's a new account anyway, so since it's a new account, I'm going to be signing in for you to see how it is, how everything is on the website, okay, and how you can use it to make money. All right, so I'm going to be signing up with this email. I'm signing in with this email so you can see everything that has to do with rapidworkers.com. All right, so let's get it done, get what's done, the job done, and you start making your money. All right, so let's log in and we are there. All right, so let's see. That's a mistake. I've imputed a wrong password. All right, so let's just log in again. I've made a mistake there. All right, so I'm going to be imputing the password correctly this time, and I'll hit that I'm not robot. Then I'll sign in. So when you sign in, jobs are categorized according to countries. Jobs are categorized according to countries. So whenever you see something like international, that's worldwide, from any part of the world. Okay, like this, I'm not going to save the password. Like this is for international audience. All right, so anybody can participate. If you're from the US, you can participate in that of US. So that's for international, and from any country you can participate and you get paid. 0.5 cents. I mean $0.5. That is cents, yeah. 0.5 cents. And we have the one of USA, Canada, Australia, and some of those Taiwan countries. Alright, so they have options here. Now you need to follow. Alright, the job title, talk about the work validity period, which is not even up to 5 minutes, something less than 5 minutes. Alright, so and you are told what to do. You see everything on the space here. Okay, that there is something I forgot to say. Like, whenever you sign up an account, you're supposed to input your email. You verify the email, and email will be sent to you for verification. Alright, you should take it serious. You need to verify your account before you can start everything. Alright, so after doing all of this, after fulfilling this whole task, then you kindly forward it in this format and click on confirm. You confirm that you've done the job accurately. Okay, so you can follow other spaces there. Like, you can come from Canada and start participating in USA task. Alright, so just choose your country task and you follow the procedure, then you keep making money. Alright, these things are less than 5 minutes. These are things you can do in 2 to 3 minutes according to the job description. Alright, according to the job description, you can do this thing in less than 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so just imagine doing up to, let me say, 30 or 40 of this every day, like 0.5 multiplied by 30 or multiplied by 50. Alright, so it's still something, and whenever you do this, you get paid immediately, and you'll be able to withdraw to your PayPal, Visa, or maybe wire transfer, depending on the amount you are able to accumulate in a month, week, or just in a couple of days. Alright, so it's something very easy, and I can say, yeah, you can check everything from here. You can check the latest, alright, the most paying. Alright, you can choose the money, arrange everything. You can just filter in form of filtering. You can filter this thing, you can type the job name, everything is there. Okay, you follow this procedure the right way, and you will be able to make money without stressing your life. Okay, so in case you are new to the channel, like I always say, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified each time we drop a video like this. Alright, so keep updated. Alright, keep updated. That's just it.